Be honest with me for a second. Have you ever dreamed about starting a YouTube channel but felt completely overwhelmed? Maybe you're thinking, I don't have a fancy camera. I hate being on camera. Or even I have no clue where to start. Well, guess what? You don't need any of that to create amazing videos today. In fact, you can do it all without ever showing your face. Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to create professional faceless YouTube videos using only ChatGPT and Pictory.ai. No experience needed. Let's go! Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel that makes content creation easy and fun for everyone. If you're new here, we talk about simple ways to start YouTube channels, create videos, and grow online, even if you're starting with zero experience. Today is really exciting because we're tackling one of the biggest roadblocks new creators face. How to start when you don't want to be on camera, or spend hours editing, or invest in expensive equipment. With just a few free or affordable tools, you can launch your YouTube channel faster than you ever thought possible. So grab a notebook, or just relax and watch, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do. Let's be real for a second. Starting a YouTube channel can feel absolutely overwhelming. You might think, what if nobody watches my videos? What if I look awkward on camera? I don't even know how to edit a video. Trust me, you're not alone. Every big YouTuber you know once felt the same way. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a tech genius. You don't have to be a performer. And you definitely don't have to spend thousands on equipment. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory.ai, the hardest parts, scripting, editing, even voiceovers, are now easier than ever. And better yet, you can stay totally faceless while building an audience and even making money. Step-by-step action list. Step 1. Write a winning script with ChatGPT. The very first building block for your video is the script. This used to take hours or even days, but with ChatGPT, it's lightning fast. Start by opening ChatGPT and give it a clear prompt, like, write a friendly 3-minute YouTube script on morning routines for productivity. ChatGPT will instantly draft a full, coherent script tailored to your request. You can even get specific. Ask it for a motivational tone, include bullet points, or tell a mini story within the script. Always take a few minutes to personalize the AI's work. Tweak the wording, add a personal touch, maybe sprinkle in a quick tip or story from your experience. Your viewers will connect more when they feel a real voice behind the words. Even if you don't appear on camera, your voice, your style, shines through the script. Great scripts make great videos, and ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Step 2. Turn your script into a video with Pictory. Now that you have your polished script, it's time to bring it to life. And that's where Pictory.ai comes in. Pictory is an incredible AI tool that transforms written scripts into beautiful, engaging videos without you needing to record a thing. Start by signing into your Pictory.ai account and selecting Script to Video. Simply paste your script into the provided text box. Instantly, Pictory will break down your script into scenes and start matching them with relevant stock footage, graphics, and animations from their massive library. You can choose from a variety of templates that suit your channel's theme, whether it's techie, minimalist, or vibrant and colorful. Customize further by adjusting fonts, scene transitions, and colors to give it your own unique branding. Pictory even offers built-in background music so you can set the perfect mood for your video. It's fast, intuitive, and honestly feels like having your own editing team. Step 3. Add voiceovers, optional. Voiceovers can really bring your video to life by giving it a personal, relatable touch. If you don't feel comfortable recording your own voice yet, don't worry. Pictory.ai has you covered with its AI-generated voiceovers. You can choose from a wide variety of voice styles, accents, and tones, whether you want something friendly and casual or professional and polished. Simply paste your script into the voiceover tool, preview the different voices, and pick the one that fits your video's vibe. If you want to challenge yourself, you can record your own voice directly within Pictory. Just speak naturally, like you're talking to a friend. Authenticity often beats perfection. Either way, the goal is to create an engaging, human-sounding video that keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Remember, your voice, whether it's AI or real, carries the story your visuals are telling. Step 4. Fine-tune with music and text. Now for the fun finishing touches, adding music and text. Background music plays a big role in setting the tone of your video. Luckily, Pictory.ai offers a library of royalty-free tracks to choose from. Whether you want an uplifting beat, a calming tune, or something more dramatic, there's a perfect soundtrack waiting for you. Choose a track that complements the mood of your message and adjust the volume so it gently supports your voiceover without overpowering it. Next, enhance your video with animated text highlights. Use text overlays to emphasize key points or guide viewers through steps. Animated text not only makes your content more dynamic, but also helps mobile viewers who often watch videos muted. Small, thoughtful details like background music and strategic text make a massive difference in keeping your audience engaged until the very end. It's these polish points that take a video from good to great. Thousands of creators are already doing this, creating channels around tech tutorials, motivational stories, top 10 lists, history explainers, self-improvement tips. You can literally pick your favorite topic, stay completely anonymous, and start building a real YouTube income stream, working from your laptop, your couch, your coffee shop, wherever you want. All you need to do is start. So, quick recap. 1. Write your video script with ChatGPT. 2. Create your video using Pictory.ai. 3. Customize with voice, music, and text. 4. Upload it to YouTube, and boom, you're officially a YouTuber. No excuses, no special skills needed, just a willingness to try. If this video gave you even one new idea, smash that like button. Subscribe for more simple, beginner-friendly YouTube tips, and comment below. What's the #1 thing holding you back from starting your channel? Let's talk about it. Thanks so much for watching today, and remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be done. See you next time.